This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making winter melon soup with pork ribs. This is one of the most popular ways to cook winter melon. Here is what you need. Pork ribs that's been cut into about 5 cm pieces. Winter melon. Ginger. Salt, white pepper. First, let's prepare the pork ribs. Bring some water to a boil, then put in your pork ribs. Bring it back to a boil and lower the heat to a simmer. Simmer your pork ribs for about 2 minutes. Then, remove, drain, and rinse the pork ribs under running water. By parboiling the pork ribs, you get rid of all the impurities and it keeps your broth clear. Now, put the blanched ribs and ginger into your soup pot. Add water. Bring all this back to a boil again, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Simmer this for 90 minutes, but make sure you check periodically to make sure that it does not boil over or it does not dry up. Meanwhile, let's prepare the winter melon. Remove the seeds. Then, cut off the skin. Cut your winter melon into about 1-inch chunks. After 90 minutes, skim off any scum and grease on top of your soup. Then, add your winter melon into the soup. Continue to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. I don't like my winter melon to be too soft. I prefer a little bite to it, so I will not boil it for too long. After 20 to 30 minutes, add salt and pepper. Taste and adjust for seasoning. To serve, top it with scallions or cilantro. This is winter melon soup with pork ribs.